In this video, I'm going to show you how you can summarize a long form articles within seconds. You can summarize these long form articles in a couple of sentences. Then you can use that answer. Then you can use that summary to answer questions on Quora, and you can promote your affiliate website and you can make money online from it. There's a video, a detailed tutorial how you can make money online on this method. I published on that. There's a card and there's a link in the description. Go and check it out. But this video is about a website that you can use to summarize a long form articles like this one in couple of seconds. So what you do first, always you have to find an article. There's two ways that you can do. One, if you publish the article already on your website or any other website, just copy that URLs. If not, you have articles already written on Word document, just copy entire articles. You can summarize the from link, or you can copy and paste entire articles. You have to visit this website called tldrplace.com. This website, it is not free, but you can create a free account with it and you can use a free service from there. All you have to do is click Get Start and you create your free account. Now, after you create your free account with it, what you do, copy and paste your URLs, or you can copy and paste entire articles. And on the bottom, you can click AI summary, and you're going to click short and concise, and you're going to click this one called display important keywords, and you're going to click summarize this. Like that, this entire articles is summarizes with your keyword in it. Now what you can do is you can copy this entire summary. You can go to Quora and you can answer this bunch of questions and you can promote affiliate products. You can watch the previous video and then you can learn from that how you can make money online using this method. So this website is free to use. They have a couple of free trial every single day. So what you can use that every single day free trial to turn these big articles, summarize that articles, then you promote an affiliate product using Quora. So visit this website. It's called TLDR. This will summarize entire long form articles into simple short summary in a couple of seconds. You can use URLs or you can copy and paste entire articles and you can summarize any articles. Go and check it out, this website. It is completely free to begin and free to use, guys. So I hope, guys, you understand these videos. If you really like this video, subscribe, like and share. Until that, have a good day. See you next video.